Young David stood so brave and bold. A simple sling was all he held. The giant loomed with eyes cold and fierce. David's aim was sharp to pierce. A shepherd's life he left behind. In fields of grain he once resigned. But destiny had called his name to change the world, to claim his fame. With a swing and a snap, Goliath hit the ground. David stood in victory with cheers all around. The ground did shake as the giant fell.